Ever find yourself constantly correcting the steering wheel, or notice a wobble that wasn't there before? It's tempting to blame the wind or the road, but these subtle changes are your car's way of warning you. Your steering system relies on many parts working together. When one wears out, everything feels off. Ignoring these signs is like ignoring a toothache. It only gets worse and more expensive. A slight pull, a new clunk, or a shaky steering wheel are clues about your car's health. Learning to spot these early can save you from breakdowns or accidents. That little wobble could be the start of a big headache. Let's dig into one of the most common causes, the tie rod. It's a small part with a big job, and knowing what to look for can save you money and stress. Let's get to the bottom of it. So, what's a tie rod? It's the crucial link connecting your steering wheel to your front wheels. When you turn, tie rods push or pull the wheels, making your car respond. They're vital for precise steering and proper wheel alignment. Good tie rods mean even tire wear and a safer, smoother drive. But they're under constant stress and do wear out. The joint, protected by a rubber boot, can loosen or tear, letting in dirt and causing faster wear. That's when you start feeling those odd steering sensations. The tie rod works behind the scenes, but keeping it healthy is one of the smartest things you can do. A healthy tie rod means a safer car and longer-lasting tires. The first signs of a failing tie rod show up in your hands and ears. If your steering feels loose or delayed, the tie rod joint may be worn. You might notice the car pulling to one side, often a sign of bad alignment caused by a worn tie rod. Listen for clunking or knocking noises when turning, especially at low speeds. A rattling sound over bumps is another red flag. These symptoms are your car's way of saying something in the steering needs attention. Trust your instincts. Catching these early can prevent bigger problems. Beyond sounds and feel, you can often spot a bad tie rod with your eyes. Check your front tires for uneven wear, especially on the inner or outer edges. A worn tie rod throws off alignment, causing tires to wear unevenly. Money wasted. Another clue: vibration in the steering wheel, especially at higher speeds. Here's a quick home test. With the car parked, grab a front wheel at 3 and 9 o'clock and try to wiggle it side to side. Any noticeable movement or clunking means trouble. Compare both front wheels. Any looseness is a warning sign. This simple check can give you confidence when talking to a mechanic. Don't ignore what you see or feel. Early detection is key to avoiding bigger repairs. Stay alert and proactive. Ignoring a bad tie rod is a serious risk. If it fails completely, you could lose steering control, potentially causing a crash. Even before total failure, vague steering and pulling make your car less responsive in emergencies. You're risking your safety, your passengers, and everyone else on the road. Plus, a bad tie rod ruins tires and stresses other expensive parts. What starts as a cheap fix can snowball into a huge repair bill. Catching it early protects both your wallet and your safety. Don't let a small issue become a disaster. Fix it before it's too late. Suspect a tie rod issue? Get it checked by a professional right away. Tell your mechanic what you found. Describe the play in the steering or any clunks. After replacement, always get a full wheel alignment to protect your tires and handling. Make regular checks a habit. Wiggle the wheels, listen for new noises, and pay attention to steering feel. Most garages check steering during routine service, but your awareness is your best defense. By catching issues early, you save money and stay safe. Don't be intimidated, trust your instincts and seek help when needed. A little knowledge goes a long way. Happy motoring.